Hey guys, I'm Kendra Summer from Cruising with Kendra. Today we're hanging out in the cruising garage. We're going to install a Custom Autosound USA 230 radio, a dual driver speaker, and a set of their kick panels, all in this 1965 Ford Mustang. Let's check it out. Custom Autosound's Concourse USA 230 is an affordable, classic-looking radio without sacrificing quality electronics. With great pony car looks, it fits into your stock dash and pumps out 200 watts. There's bass, treble, fader, and balance controls, and a digital display with 16-station presets. For more music options, it's got an auxiliary input for satellite radio, MP3 players, your phone, or anything else with a headphone jack, and it even has left and right RCA outputs. The two-part wiring harness plugs right into the back, and it comes with all the hardware needed to install it. Their dual voice coil speaker provides exceptional sound quality while replacing your original mono speaker. 70% more cone surface than regular dual speakers gets you much better bass, and they can handle up to 140 watts. They're stereo, so your left and right channels plug right into the single speaker. Kick panels for your Classic are ABS plastic and can easily be painted to match the interior of your vehicle. And the cool thing is they are easy to install and come with a choice of speaker options already installed. And the best thing about this setup is it only requires a few simple hand tools to get it done. Let's get rocking. First up is their 100-watt dual voice coil speaker. It has terminals on both sides for left and right channel input, and then simply mounts in the old mono speaker cutout with the provided fasteners, and then you can replace your OE speaker grill. Custom Autosound sends you the specific model for your car, so there's no cutting of your dash. For our 65 Mustang restoration, we hang the rear strap first, and then the radio simply slides in from the back and is secured in place with the front two nuts and then the rear mounting strap. Kick panel installation is easy. Just run the wire over the top of the panel and slide it into position. It uses the pinch weld and your door seal plate to keep it in place. Then connect your speaker wire to the terminals that come from the harness. Lastly, tuck your speaker wires out of sight and under the dash. And with that, our installation is done. Time for some tunes. Well, that rocks. For more information on Custom Autosound's complete line of vintage-looking modern radio, head over to CustomAutosoundMFG.com. For Cruising with Kendra, I'm Kendra Summer. We'll see you next time.